video. Now I've been waiting so long to finally unbox my new dust collector. Here. Let's see what's inside and build it up and see how well it collects dust. Because this is what a dust collector does, apparently, right? Well, this is everything which was in the box. We should find here something, a manual or instruction how to build this thing up. Sack, mounts, wiring, rolls. Oh, I don't know what that is. Ah, look what you got. Our little friend. Some more reading. You know what? Meant to be? I didn't think it would be that strong, but this thing is really strong. And if you want to exactly know how much, it's 2530 cubics per hour, 1800 Pascal. It runs at 1.5 kilowatts and it's only 87 decibels. Good machine. Let's try it out. These are 4 meters supposedly, and let's just cut this thing up and hope it doesn't jump into my face. Oh, cutie! Look, I've prepared some dust for us. Let's just suck it up. Turn this on. Takes a while. Looks like a living thing. Disgusting. Now, since I have a dust collector, I can run this little dirty machine here without any dust everywhere. I'm kind of tempted to try it out right now, really? Yeah, come on, let's go. This might be the best investment I've done lately. Thicknessing without any dust anymore. The whole workshop without dust anymore. You know what's missing right now? Just a proper dust collection system. But anyway, I'm super happy with this machine. I hope this is gonna save me a lot of cleaning and collect all the dust. And I mean, there is enough space to suck a lot of dust. I'm super happy and I don't know how to express myself right now. But I think that's it for today. I call it and see you next time. One more thing. Oops. Hey man, can you turn the dust collector on? Yeah, sure. Turn it off!